Hi everyone! Today we're going to be doing a Hobby Lobby haul video. One of them just opened up where I live about a week ago, so I just thought it would be cool to show what I got. So let's get started. So the first thing is this cute wall decoration. I'm going to hang it on my wall, and I could probably use it to hang pictures, little notes. This one, the price is $24.99, but it was on sale, the spring shop, for 40% off, and I got it for $14.99. This one is the most expensive thing that I got on the trip. Next is this cute kitten mitt. It has very cute strawberries. This one was $4.99 original price, but it was 40% off, so it's $2.99 on sale. For this, I'm not going to use it for the oven because I'm not sure if it's meant as an oven mitt. I think it's just for the pots and pans when you're cooking. Very cute nonetheless. Third item is this very cute apron. I'm going to use this for when I bake. This one was $14.99 original price, but I got it for $8.99, 40% off. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but it's a cute purple and white. Very cute. Fourth item is this cute sink strainer. It's green with a frog. This is the brand Joey. This one was $5.99, but 40% off was $3.59. Very, very cute. It's supposed to catch whatever from clogging up the sink. Fifth item is this Click and Flame. We're gonna use it for the candles. This is gonna be easier to use than small lighters and matches. This is regular price for $1.99. Sixth item is this acrylic crochet thread. It's rainbow color. I just learned to knit, and now I'm going to try my hand on crochet. Very cool. This one is regular price $3.39. The brand is Artist. Seventh item is this very cute egg and bunny mold. It's going to be perfect for Easter. I'm going to use this for resin. Very cute. This one was $7.99 original price, and I got it for 40% off, so it was $4.79. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items are these very cute cards. They're gift cards. I'm going to use this for family members and to send to pen pals. These were 99 cents each, so they're $2.97 together. These two are thank you cards. This is the inside. Very cute. And this one is for a belated birthday. So funny. $2.97. And these are some cards for my pen pals. They're 15 each, and I got them for $1.99 and $1.99. What a steal. They are strawberry and pineapple, and this one is You're the Best. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 items are these very cool ribbons that I'm going to use for sewing. These are plaid ribbons. Regular price is $1.99, but I got them for 50% off each, so 99 cents and 99 cents. These were already on sale. This is the original price was $4.99, but I got it for 124 cents. This is a cool iridescent ribbon for sewing or for any craft. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up the colors. Cool. These two are holographic ribbons. The original price is $3.99, but on sale it was 99 cents. 99 cents. Holographic ribbon, very cool. More holographic items. These are white ribbons. These were each $4.99 original price, but they were 50% off, so I got them for $2.49 each. $2.49 and $2.49. I forgot that I got two of these cool iridescent ribbons. $1.24 each, $1.24 each. $21, $22, $23 item are this very cute felt. I'm going to use these to make masks. This one is a very cute coffee latte. So cute. This one are donuts. Little bear. Aren't they cute? This one is ink splatter. These are 99 cents each. 99 cents. 99 cents. And I think these weren't on sale, but it's okay. They're nice and cheap. 25th items are this very cool fabric. These are cotton fabric. This one, this donut one, is 99 cents. This one is $1.49. Very cute tie-dye with paisley. Let me see. So this one was $1.49 original price. They were not on sale. These are awesome. This is tie-dye. Very cool. I'm going to use this to make masks, face masks. How cute is this donut one? Very awesome. 100% cotton. Very cool. 26 and 27 items are these cute miniature bears. They were 1.99 each. This is regular price. So cute. Yellow, purple, pink, blue bears. The brand is Mayberry Street Miniatures. 28, 29, 30 items are these very cute sewing supplies. This one is a thimble for your fingers so you don't get pricked with the needles. These were on sale, $1.99. $1.99. This one is a thread scissor. Even though it's so cute, it's very, very sharp. And this one was on sale for 49 cents. I'm sure this is a fabric marker. It has a very cute ruler, inch ruler. Let me see. I'm going to see if this is a fabric marker. The original price is $1.99, but it's on sale, 49 cents. So cute. Fabric. Oh. Oh, this is a pen. Look at that. This is a regular pen. So cute. These two were on sale for 99 cents each. 99 cents. 31st item is this paper media by Tim Holtz. Super cute. They're like vintage little paper items. These are not stickers. These are just paper in general. Paper crafts. It says here field notes. I'm not sure what that means. Tim Holtz. There are 134 pieces. I might laminate these and use them for resin. This one is $5.99, but it was on sale for 40% off, so it's $3.59. 32nd item is this Dreamcatcher steel ring. It has a bar. I'm going to use this for my Rainbow Loom Dreamcatcher. I'm not sure what design I'm going to do, but I just wanted to try something different than my original Dreamcatchers. So please keep a lookout for a future video. This one is regular sale for $1.99. The size is 6 inches all around. Last but not least is this very cute Peeps Bubbles. It has a bubble wand inside. I'm going to use this to play with my son. It's non-toxic, so it will be very safe to play with him. This one is $2.99, but it was 40% off, so I got it for $1.79. So awesome. I cannot wait. So in total, I bought 33 items, and the total altogether was $83 with 96 cents. And Supposedly with almost everything on sale, I saved $35.20. So I think it was a good haul, and thank you so much for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites, and also check out my Etsy because I'm going to be making a few items with some of the things that I bought. And this video was in no way bragging. I just wanted to show off the cute things that I bought, and also a little bit of a disclaimer. I just want everybody to know that I do not support Hobby Lobby opinions. I was just so excited that a Hobby Lobby was near me, near where I lived,